Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing RedMine, project management software, on Linux. To begin, launch a terminal and run sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade to install any available software updates. Then we'll use apt-install to install the Apache 2 web server, Ruby, MariaDB database backend, and a few other prerequisite packages. We'll elevate to a root shell using sudo su, then execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a root MySQL password and mitigate known vulnerabilities. Next, we'll connect to the MariaDB database backend using the MySQL command line utility. Then, using SQL commands, we'll create a RedMine database, as well as a service account with full permissions to the new database. We'll flush MySQL privileges, close the connection, then exit the root shell. Next, we'll use the user add command to create a RedMine user account, and then add it to the www data group. We'll use the wget command to download the latest release of RedMine from redmine.org. Then we'll extract the downloaded archive to the opt redmine directory. Next, we'll authenticate as the new RedMine user using sudo su. Then we'll create copies of the various example configuration files. Now we're ready to edit the database.yaml file using the nano editor. Using the video description as a guide, update database.yaml with the database connection properties. Once updated, save your changes and close nano. Next, we'll exit the RedMine user shell, then cd to opt RedMine. Then we'll install the bundler package using the Ruby gem package manager. We'll re-authenticate back to the RedMine user, then use the bundle install command to install the necessary dependencies. We'll generate a secret token, then create the database objects, and import the default database data. Then we'll use chmod to reset the permissions on opt RedMine and exit the RedMine shell. Finally, we'll cd back to opt RedMine and start the RedMine server process. Next, we'll create a new Apache site configuration for RedMine. Copy the site configuration from the video description, then save the changes and close the file. Now we'll enable the passenger Apache module, as well as the new RedMine site configuration. Then restart the Apache 2 service for the changes to take effect. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host :3000. Click the sign in link at the top right of the screen. Log in with the username and password admin. Type admin in the password field, then enter and confirm a new password for the admin user. Welcome to RedMine, running on your Linux host.